Predictive mathematical models empower businesses to better serve customers and gain real competitive advantage. Whether it's deciding to extend an offer of credit, identifying new potential customers for marketing initiatives, or gaining broader business insights like detecting fraud, the right model has the power to make a real difference. However, it's important to remember that these models are not just reflections of the underlying data, but of the many expert decisions that must go into the design of the model. From decisions about which data sources to leverage, to decisions about how to best segment data and optimize model performance, each of these decisions has the potential to impact how well the resulting model will work for your business. How do you know then if a given model configuration will deliver the best results for your business? In many cases, you probably can't. If, like many businesses, your business relies on a generic score, then the predictive model that powers your generic score comes pre-configured and may not deliver optimal performance. And the bigger issue here is that with the generic score, you have no way of even knowing if changes to your model configuration could improve performance. Your business could be flying blind. Now, of course, using a generic score is not the only way to leverage predictive modeling, and many businesses choose to buy or build their own custom models. Custom models give flexibility, and in theory allow businesses to find optimal model configurations. In practice, however, custom models are slow to build, validate, and deploy, difficult to maintain and adapt, and provide no guarantees that you'll be able to achieve the performance you need for your business in a reasonable time frame or at a reasonable cost. What then is the right approach for your business? If generic scores are too inflexible and custom scores are too slow, then how can your business maximize the value of data when making critical decisions? This is exactly the question Equifax set out to answer when creating Equifax Ignite models and scores. At their core, these configurable models and scores are made up of expert-built flexible modules. These modules bring together decades of expert knowledge with cutting-edge analytics and artificial intelligence to deliver tremendous flexibility. Modules can be rapidly combined into viable predictive models for your business and quickly tested for performance on the metrics that most impact your bottom line. Further, these configurable models and scores are built using the Equifax Ignite high-performance analytics environment, enabling thousands of viable model configurations to be built, optimized, and tested in parallel. Configurable models and scores test every possible hypothesis for you, leaving no stone unturned, and deliver the best model or models for your business, turning months of custom model development into days of configurable testing. More and more businesses are discovering that with Equifax Ignite models and scores, they don't have to sacrifice the speed of a generic score, and are in many cases seeing improved performance over custom scores. In the case of one lender, Equifax rapidly identified opportunities to leverage additional data sources and incorporate an alternative model assessment technique. The resulting model produced a 60% KS lift over the lender's previous solution, a traditional generic score, while simultaneously producing a 5% lift in scorable rate. For another business, Equifax identified an AI-enabled model configuration that offered a 16% KS lift over the previous solution, a custom score, while simultaneously delivering an 8% lift in scorable universe, allowing this business to approve between 8 and 13% more accounts using the same risk profile. In each of these cases, Equifax Ignite models and scores rapidly identified top-performing configurable models, while automatically generating a report detailing the incremental value created by each module. Equifax Ignite models and scores help bring context, clarity, and speed to the predictive modeling process, delivering better performance, more transparency, dramatically faster development and deployment, and rapid adaptability to changing conditions, empowering your business to make better data-driven decisions faster. Contact your Equifax representative to learn more.